How to manage notification in Dropbox. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to manage notification in Dropbox. So open your Dropbox app and log into your account. So as you're logged into your Dropbox account, what here you need to do is click open the profile initials at the top right, and you want to look for these notification section over here. If you cannot find one, you go to the settings section. Here you should be able to find notifications. So you just want to go and look for these options. Here as well, you cannot find one, then you go to the security section as well and look for it. Now that we cannot find the notification section here, now what you want to do is you just want to exit out, go to the settings on your device and locate apps from the list, or you just want to go to notifications. Here you want to go to app notification and locate Dropbox from the list and toggle the button on and off. That's how you'll be able to manage notification in Dropbox. And with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.